Four men already convicted in the murder of Palm Springs retiree Clifford Lambert were back in court once again this morning at the Larson Justice Center in Indio. As News Channel 3's Tom Tucker reports, the men are being retried in this sensational and complex case, which first attracted international media attention back in 2011.
Already serving life sentences after their first trials in 2012 and 2011, they were back in court Tuesday morning for a trial readiness conference. Casual Narula, Daniel Carlos Garcia, David Rapogel, and Miguel Bustamante. This after the court granted retrials for the men in the case involving the financially motivated murder of Clifford Lambert 12 years ago. Defense attorney John Patrick Dolan is representing Rapogel.
It is sensational, it is sordid, and it is complex.
The retrials are happening because the judge in the first trial of Narula and Garcia in 2012 made a derogatory remark from the bench regarding Narula's HIV status, which Garcia allegedly recorded on his court-issued laptop computer. Last week, the court in Riverside agreed with Narula's assertion that judges' claims showed bias against Narula and Garcia, who represented themselves, clearing the way for the retrials of 4 of the 6 men originally convicted in the case.
There's a handful of legal issues that have to be resolved. It's a very complex case. It's a very old case.
Lambert was stabbed to death at his Palm Springs home December 5, 2008. 2 other men who pleaded guilty for their roles in the murder will not be retried, Craig McCarthy and Russell Manning. During Monday's proceedings, the judge granted Bustamante's request to represent himself. The judge also granted requests by Garcia and Narula for more access to phones to call legal help and access to law libraries. The judge also granting Narula's request for more access to medical care for treatments for HIV and cancer.
But this is a retrial, and so it's going to be complex.
In Indio, Tom Tucker, News Channel 3.
The start date for the retrial has not been set, and another trial readiness conference is set for July 21st. No word yet on whether the men will be tried separately or in pairs.